If you have children that don't know how to speak your language, you're a disgraceful parent. Your children are supposed to speak your own first before English. We are not English people. English is a borrowed language. Nneka ahange.
Shinonyerem.
It's not hanging again.
Shinonyerem.
Ole state isi.
Anambra.
Oge ibera na elu altar. Na Wednesday. O were ekpere isi m kpere gị. Ichetara ekpere. So gwa m ihe ha isi m mere gị.
Ndị kpere m ekpere ka kọntena daa dị mpụta. Ọ kwụchala ụgwọ kwesịrị ịkwụ.
Chere ka ọ kwụcha anụ. Wait now. Wait, let her finish. Can you know? Wait, let her finish. So that you should be ashamed of yourself. If you are a child, don't know how to speak your language. She knows how to speak English very well, but she speaks Igbo very well. Nne, kwuo ihe ikwuru ọzọ ha na-enye mkpọtụ. Gwa m ya ikwuru, kwuo ya ọfụma.
Kpere m ekpere ka kọntena daa dị mpụta. Ọ kwụchala ụgwọ niile ọ kwesịrị ịkwụ mana ọ pụtabeghị.
Ị na-anụ ya? Na ọ kwụchago ụgwọ niile ọ kwesịrị ịkwụ mana ọ pụtabeghị. Ọ na-asụ ka onye na-amụ ya amụ. That is a good parent, a good woman training her child. Hey, come here. Go. Even when you don't know how to speak English. Hey, they go. Go bring her for me. Hey, bring her boy. Nne, imaham. Oli ibaham.
Evangelist Chukwuebuka Noziobi.
She's not born in Nigeria. She was born in Indonesia by Indonesian mother, grew up speaking her language. You must teach your children their language first, before English, before French. You will see some mother, when you try to speak Igbo to their children, especially Igbo people, Yoruba is not doing it, Hausa is not doing it. Those who value their language very well. But you will see somebody born in Onitsha or a papa. If you ask the person, if you try to speak Igbo, the mother will tell you, hey, she doesn't understand Igbo. As if to say, if she does not understand it, she has won an American lottery visa. Is a shameful mother or papa if your children don't know how to speak your language. Quote me right. Lele nwa amụrụ in Indonesia. Nwa amụrụ nke bụkwa white yo. Na ijo ya, some of you ajọ nwa ebe ka isi odebanya. My mama tell me say abi Igbo. Ke gwana aha nke gị, aha gị?
Chinonyerem.
Chinonyerem. Oh, yeah, come now, like. When I see good thing, I like to appreciate it. I'm a promoter of a good culture, of Igbo language. Amen. If you want me to be carrying your baby like this, teach them the right thing. The baby did not even know. Okay, it's in Igbo, it's here. Ole village is in here. Go, 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 go.
Asia.
Ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ ka m mere gị mmara emeziri gị isi m kpee ekpere ka gịnị mere papa gị
ka kọntena ya pụta
a ma ekpe ekpere kọntena ya apụta ozugbo ozugbo olee antị gị kpọrọ gị bịa ebe a
ọnụ nga anyị
olee ebe antị nọ pụta God bless you on gịnị ịbụ nwanne papa ya
Yes, sir.
Sister to the father.
Yes, sir.
How do you achieve this? How do you achieve it? How do you achieve it?
I know that na English language is not allowed in the flat. So Fagaba school, after na gate, how will I buy English? So then I go.
If they are going to school, they can pick English bag. But when they come to the house, no English is allowed. God bless you. And I made them come, they go. Please clap your hand for this beautiful girl.